This next routine we have for you is gonna be butts and guts. So we're gonna work our core and our glutes. 4 exercises, 2 circuits each, so we'll have 8 exercises total, okay? My first one I can use, I have one of my glute bands here. You can also use a mini band if you don't have one of the thicker ones. I'm gonna put the band above my knees. For this one, we'll just keep it here for all 4 exercises, makes it a little bit easier. So a band goes above my knees. I'm gonna stand on one foot, I'm driving my knee up to the ceiling and then kicking back so I have that hip extension, heel to the sky. So it's up as far as I can with that band and then kick back. Okay, this one I'm gonna do for 10 on my right side, 10 on my left side. Oh, I just said we were keeping on. Don't do that. Next one, we're gonna go into our tabletop crunch. So I'm gonna bring my knees at 90 degrees. Hand goes behind my head. Okay, I'm not gonna pull on my neck, it's just kind of resting there. Crunch up. Use that core to lift yourself, okay, nice and slow. You're not pulling on your neck at all. You're gonna do that one for 12. And then I'm gonna flip over for another glute exercise. I'm not flipping over, I'm staying right here. For bridges, okay? So first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna tuck my belly button in so my spine stays neutral. Bridge up, break that band as I come out, and then all the way back down. So it's that bridge, break, so I'm working my abductors, the outside of my legs. This one you're gonna do for 15. Okay, last exercise in this first circuit. I'm gonna go to a forearm plank. So keeping my back nice and flat, and then I'm gonna push back for a dolphin plank. Reset nice and slow, push back and pause, and then reset. Second circuit we're gonna go into our tabletop position. Should be familiar to you with those bear curls that you all love to do. Okay, we're gonna break that band that's above our knees, keeping our knees low to the ground, back nice and flat so my core is engaged. Do that for 25. Okay, second one, I'm gonna go into a plank. I still have that band above my knees, and I'm gonna alternate lifting my legs. So I really have to use those glutes to lift. Make sure you squeeze as you lift. Alternate right and left, 10 each side. Okay, from there, I'm gonna turn around. Use anything you have at home to go up and over a water bottle. I'm just gonna use my yoga block. So I'm gonna lean back, bring my legs up and over. This one you don't really need the band for, but just keep it on, it's easier. Okay, that one, you're gonna do 15 each side. And then your fourth and final exercise, we'll stand up for this one, 3-way tap. So I'm gonna start with a slight bend, tap up, tap out to the side, tap back. Okay, all 3 ways is 1. Do that for 12 on your right, then 12 on your left. And then you're done.